How to fix Instagram name change problem. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can fix Instagram name change problem. So let's get started. First, open up your Instagram. Now go to your profile and tap on edit profile. Now when you try to change your name from here, you will get an error and you will get redirected to another page of Facebook. Now, if that's your problem and that is what's keeping you from changing your name, what you need to do is tap on these three lines on the top right. After you tap on it, you'll get redirected to settings and privacy. Now tap on Meta Account Center. Now after you're there, go to your profiles, tap on your Instagram's profile, and after you tap on it, you will see the name, username, profile picture, and avatar. Tap on your Instagram again and you will see the sync profile info. Now make sure that it is turned off. If it's turned on, turn it off. After you turn it off, you can go back. You can change your name from here too, but let's go back to our Insta. So now after you've turned off the sync, now you can go and edit your name as you want. So you can simply edit your name and tap on done and tap on change name. And after you do so, you're basically done. That is how you can change your name and fix the problem of your Instagram name changing. Thanks for watching guys. That is all for today. Stay tuned for more and bye bye.